Hello drummers, percussionists. Today we are going to talk a little bit about how to practice. I know in class it's a little bit difficult, especially as drummers, when everyone else is learning their first 5 notes, to talk about how exactly do you do more with just 2 sticks. And so today we're going to talk a lot about snare technique, what we're doing with that, and some exercises and tools that will help you really keep a constant beat. Now, the first thing you are going to do as a drummer is download a metronome. Metronome apps are on every store. They're on the Apple Store, the iOS Store, the Android Play Store. You can also just Google the word metronome on your laptop and metronome will come up. This is an app just called Metronome, very creatively, and it's going to help you really nail down your ability. The first thing you're going to want to do as a percussionist is go really fast, and that's not what we're here to do. So over the next month, we're going to be taking our technique really seriously and showing you how to practice without just jumping straight to the end of being able to do paradiddles at really high tempo. I will also be sending a video that I'm also sending to the middle schoolers on snare technique. You do not have to do all of the warm-up in that video. I'm just going to show you the first couple in that video, and you can go back to this other channel's video to remind you and see the notation a little bit more to understand what I'm talking about. But today we're not going to be using notation. So you are going to set your metronome to 60 beats per minute. Right? When you play your snare, your stick should be loose but secure in your hands. So when you hit something, you should feel a rebound. Now, ideally you have the drum pad at home, a snare pad, and your sticks. If you do not have these 2 things, Nathan, I know you said you have a hand drum, you can use that for now. I would like you to get sticks and a snare pad. That is your responsibility to have. So we will need that eventually, but for this week it's okay. Now, first thing you're going to do is alternate on quarter notes, right on the tas, right? So it's right, left, right, left, right, left. Make sure your beats are consistent and your right hand and left hand sound the same. Same volume. It shouldn't sound like this. Or this. It should be consistent. Right? Once you're feeling comfortable with that, do about a minute of that. Kick it up to 8th notes. So it's going to go from 1, 2, 3, 4 to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right? So that should be a consistent beat going. You'll notice, if you're doing it properly, your right hand is always hitting on the click. Right? So there's your 8th notes. It might just seem a little boring, but you need to do that for at least a minute. So you can set yourself a timer and say 1 minute. And do it for a full minute. I won't spend our video time doing that. And then the last one I want you to work on this week is your 16th note rolls, which at 60 beats a minute is going from your 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and going to 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Listen first, starting with your right hand, always alternating. Ready? Ready, 1. Do not rush. Always keep that right hand on the beat. Do not alternate yet. that will be something we work on next week. So this week, I want it completely alternating between right and left. Quarter notes first, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a full minute of that. And then give me eighth notes for a full minute. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then give me 16th notes for a full minute, right? So it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and, right? So just to demonstrate that last one, I'm going to do a full minute of 16th notes along with you. When we start together, we'll end together, okay? Ready? Go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. And there it is. I want 3 minutes of video from you this week. I want 1 minute of just quarter notes. I want 1 minute of eighth notes, and I want 1 minute of 16th notes. You can do it all in a row, set a 3-minute timer, and stop yourself every minute and change, or you can submit it as 3 separate videos to make sure that it's perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect though. So that's what I want from you this week while everyone else is doing their first 5 notes.